Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix if your Gcash is on hold. And yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to understand the reasons for the hold. Common reasons include suspicious activity, incomplete verification, or failure to comply with the Gcash policies. The following step is to check your notifications. Open the Gcash app and check for any notifications or messages that explain why your account is on hold. The third step is to verify your account. If the hold is due to incomplete verification, ensure that you have submitted all the required documents, such as a valid ID or proof of address. The second last step is to contact Gcash support. If you cannot determine the reason, reach out to Gcash customer support through the app or the official website for assistance. The last step is to follow the instructions provided. Follow the guidance given by Gcash support to resolve the issue. This may involve providing additional information or completing specific tasks. So yeah guys, by following these steps, you should be able to address the hold on your Gcash account. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.